In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix access denied error on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this error on your ChatGPT app, then most likely your app has experienced a glitch or there is a problem with ChatGPT or your phone. In any of these cases, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this error, first you need to go to your app info page. So to troubleshoot it, for that, go to settings on your smartphone and look for apps and then manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for ChatGPT, and if you tap on it, now you'll be on the app info page. To troubleshoot your app, go to force stop app and then OK, and then go to clear data and tap on clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your ChatGPT, you should be able to use this app without any issue. But at this point, should you still encounter the same error, then you need to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN on your smartphone, or if you had installed any security app lately, try and uninstall it to see if this fixes the problem. But should this not fix your problem, then you want to check if there is any update for ChatGPT either through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Once your app is up to date, now you should be able to log in and generate chats without any issue. But should this error still persist, then most likely it's because ChatGPT has encountered a server error. For that, you'll need to try again later after some time, and now everything should be running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your error. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.